Hello everyone, I am here at Ultratech with our Director of Sales, Rick Moscarino, and today we're going to be talking about the four main areas that Ultratech serves our customer base, and starting with that is going to be automation. So Rick, why don't you get into the different ways that we support our customers with automated solutions?
Sure. On the automation side, Ultratech is a full-service robotic integrator, specifically with FANUC robots. We handle applications from machine tending to material handling, automated inspection, automated assembly, and automated material removal.
And we do that both with the industrial and the collaborative
That
robots.
is correct.
And would you be able to touch on any of the certifications that we have here that allow our customers to really know that we're a trusted integrator?
Yeah, we are RIA certified here at Ultratech.
Awesome, awesome. So moving forward from automation, one thing that we really specialize in is turnkeys. Whether it's machine automation, could you touch on what that process looks like and maybe who a good candidate would be for a turnkey process?
Yeah, so we definitely do full turnkeys for machine tools of all brands with automation. So we can handle the integration piece required at the CNC control or PLC control, depending on what type of equipment it is.
Speaking of controls, another area that we get into is machine rebuilds and retrofits. I'm going to turn that over to you. Why don't you tell us a little bit about how we go about that, who may be a good candidate, and go from there.
Sure. Here at Ultratech with our engineering crew, we can do full machine rebuilds on the floor, control retrofits. Good candidates for that is equipment that's high dollar equipment, high replacement cost, because if we can come in and 30 to 40% of replacement cost, it really can be a great candidate. We'll do control retrofits here on the floor, some we can do in the field. The rebuild projects are all really done here on our floor.
And with the retrofits, is that going to be somebody that the older aging machine, or maybe it's a high dollar value machine that it's physically functioning well but just needs a control upgrade? Can you touch on the benefits of what that control upgrade?
Yeah, sure. There's lots of equipment out there that is mechanically functioning well, right? But maybe they've got an old CNC, an obsolete CNC. They can't get parts for it, rendering the machine useless. But if we can put a brand new FANUC CNC or Siemens CNC, we'll do either one. We can put some new life into that equipment.
All right, good stuff. And then our last area would be our special and custom machining division and things that we do there. I know that's a highly specialized area, but it's something we're really good at. So why don't you just kind of comment on that and tell everyone kind of why we're good at what we do?
Yeah, well, we've got a great engineering team here, both mechanically and on the control side. So for those specialty machine tools out there that you can't find a commodity type machine, we can design and build those here, and we'll build custom lathes, custom mills, custom grinders, or maybe just complete one-off specials.
And a lot of work goes into these custom machines. Would you be able to touch on what that process looks like from when the customer contacts us until the machine's done and ready to ship off our floor?
Sure. Well, first off is we'll typically make visits out there to completely understand the application, and then we'll, after an order, there's a very detailed process of design review with the customer, where we go to great lengths to be sure we're meeting the requirements of that system.
Absolutely. And what type of testing? Do we do any testing on our floor, or is that all done at the customer's facility?
No, if we can, we'll do as much testing as possible here on the floor doing runoffs. It's not always possible or feasible, and the rest of it has to be done on the customer floor.
Sure. All right, Rick, well, thanks so much for being with us. Hopefully you guys learned a little bit more about the ways Ultratech can service and support your machine shop. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out to Rick today. We will leave his email and contact information in the description. Thanks.
Thank you.